Hi, this is John, and in this clip we'll be creating the top slats. Now that our base has been assembled, we're going to go ahead and start creating these top slats. On our materials list, we need 5 pieces that are 3 3/4 by 24 inches long. We're again going to start on the radial arm saw and measure out 24 inches. And make our cut, and again we're going to be making 5 of these. Next we're going to set up our table saw to 3 3/4 inches. And rip each of our pieces. After we have our 5 top slats, we're ready to create our cleat.